Hello everyone. Today's video we're going to be doing is every LNER steam locomotive. So let's get started. LNER class A8 scrapped. LNER Grizzlies A1 and A3 Pacifics 1 preserved, which is A3. LNER A4, 6 of them preserved. LNER B17, scrapped, but however, it's getting the replica treatment. LNER class D49, 1 preserved. LNER class J38, scrapped. LNER J39, scrapped, but getting the built replica treatment. LNER K4, 1 preserved. LNER class P1s, the first and only 282 Mikados in Great Britain. Sadly, 2 of them were scrapped. LNER class P2s, scrapped, but getting the new build treatment. The lesser known as Kaga the North, which is getting rebuilt and given the A4 streamlining. But the well known is Doncaster P2 Locomotive Trust. Number 2007, Prince of Wales. LNER class U1 Garrett. Well, not built by the LNER. It was from Barrier Peacock and Company, which the Garrett was scrapped because it was too big, and how you even gonna fit it on a turntable or put it in the shed. LNER class V1/V3, scrapped. LNER class V2, 262 Prairie, only 1 preserved. LNER class V4, scrapped, but getting the build treatment in the same place where they built Tornado. LNER class W1, or nickname Hush Hush, the only 464 Hudson built in Great Britain. Unfortunately, it was scrapped, but its BR number plate is preserved. But there's more. Its tender was preserved and is used by LNER Class A4 4488 Union of South Africa. LNER Thompson Class A1/1, LNER Thompson Class A2/2, which was built from a P2 Mikado. And now I see why he was disliked. for what he did to the locomotive. LNER Thompson class A2/1, LNER Thompson class A2/3, LNER Thompson class B1, LNER Thompson class B2, LNER class K5, a rebuilt, scrapped. LNER Thompson class 01, scrapped. LNER Thompson class L1, scrapped. LNER Thompson class Q1, an 080 tank engine, scrapped. LNER Peppercorn A1 class. Well, they were built when nationalization occurred in 1948. So, yeah. The original ones were scrapped, but one was rebuilt, which is Tornado. LNER Peppercorn class A2, 1 preserved. LNER Thompson / Peppercorn class K1, only 1 preserved. And that's it. See you later, guys.